breakthrough software creates self-updating news sites and DAMP drives 100% free traffic for passive daily commissions. Beta tester makes $1,800 in their first 30 days using this. Instantly create multiple set and DAMP. Forget passive income streams. No paid ads, content creation, video or social posting needed. Works in any niche. Turn hobbies into self-updating news sites. Start banking seriously in as little as 24 hours from right now. 2inches-1 software automates your traffic and DAMP website completely with 10x engagement. Proof of life-changing results from marketers of all levels. Enter HelloNews at checkout to get $2 off your purchase. Special launch discount. Hurry! Next price rises in. Get your discounted access now. Limited time only minus 100% money back guarantee. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Revealed. Your ticket to truly passive income is here. Every day, online marketers try to push offers on people, hoping to make a sale. Meanwhile, almost by accident, popular websites make hands-free profits by pulling people in. How? By giving people what they want. By far the #1 reason people go online is for the latest news. The biggest news sites online are news websites like CNN, BBC, Huffington Post and DAMP. Many more. Internet users everywhere are addicted to the latest updates on politics, sports, entertainment, and countless other topics. Popular online news websites drive massive daily traffic. Then monetize this traffic passively with ads and DAMP affiliate offers. The income is passive. These news sites drive floods of traffic by sharing updates and DAMP news in various categories. As you can see, traffic turns into significant daily income. These news sites do zero hard selling and simply collect revenues when visitors click on ads or check out affiliate offers. Now you can cash in just like these news sites do, by piggybacking off all their hard work. Many additional features to improve visitors' engagement by 10x. World's first all-inclusive system for passive income news sites in any niche that drive 100% free traffic. It includes a cloud-based software and multiple themes to automatically create monetized, self-updating news sites, no tech skills required. A proven cloud-based traffic software that gets targeted visitors to your news sites 24/7 without paying for ads. With step-by-step video guides to have your profitable news sites up and DAMP running in minutes. Health, automotive, music etc. video-based news sites. We have set up the news sites in many different niches ready to go in few clicks. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast 2 to 4 weeks maximum.